Hey guys, welcome to this video. In this video, we will learn what is WordPress permalink and how to change WordPress permalink and what are the different type of permalinks you can set on WordPress. So let me introduce myself first. My name is Muhammad Jawad Abdani and I am a full stack WordPress developer having around 7 years of experience. I am also running a regional agency and proudly serving my clientele all around the globe. So I'd love to share what I have learned so far in my career. So without wasting time, let's dive into it. So to get started, first of all, we'll go to a website where we need to change the permalinks. And here we do have different links on the website. For example, we do have a page on the top right side of this website, and we have one post here showing in the body of the website, right? So first of all, we'll see how the permalinks are currently working now. We'll click the sample page, and you'll see the permalinks are calling like question mark page ID equals to. So this is a very ugly structure of the website. Sometimes it's very difficult for the human to understand or maybe to remember things. So to overcome this situation, WordPress has permalink settings here. So to edit the settings, you can go to settings and then permalinks, and here WordPress provides 6 different options you can select to edit your permalink. So let's go over one by one. First of all, we have this plain permalink here that passes the page ID or maybe the ID of the object with a parameter. So that's a very basic permalink here. And the second option we have is the day and name. So how it works, it actually adds the date of the post in the URL. So the URL structure will look something like, consider this the site URL, and here it shows 2022 and then the complete date of the post and then the post name. So it's a bit it's a bit understandable for human, but again we have other options as well. The third option is month and name. So it actually adds the month and the year with the post name. So this is the third option of the permalink. And the fourth option we have is the numeric one. It actually adds the page ID with slashes. Sometimes it adds the taxonomy name like archive or maybe something like this. And the fifth option we have is post name. It's actually a pretty version of the URL. It just add the post name or maybe the page name with the URL. So for example, the URL of the website is test.com, and we do have one post with the name sample dash post. So the URL will be test.com/sample dash post. It will be that simple. So it's the pretty version of the URL. And the sixth option we have is custom structure. So with this we can create our own permalink, and here we have different variables that we can use. With this we can call the dynamic year of the post, and there are different variables here: month, name, day, hour, minute, second, and all that, the post ID, post name, category, etc, etc. So if you want to create a custom structure of a permalink, we can also do that here. So it's that customizable. For now, we'll try to activate different permalinks and see how they work. For example, first of all, we'll select the second option and we'll click save changes. And now let's go to the home page again and see how the post works. So clicking this, and you'll see the complete date is added with the post name. Now we will try, as the month and name is also similar, we'll try to click numeric one, and let's say go to home page again and click the post, and you can see the URL structure is changed again. And now we'll try to do this post name and we'll see how it works. Let's go to home page again and clicking the post. You see how the title is edited. So this is how the WordPress permalink works and how you can edit different permalinks to change the URL structure of your website. Sometimes it depends, you don't need this pretty version and you just need some IDs. For example, sometimes we have requirement to show IDs in the URL, so we can maybe select the plain version, or we can maybe generate the custom structure according to our needs, right? So this is how it works. Let me know if you have any questions, comment below, and I'll be happy to answer them. Now, if you need to see how you can edit the site title and tagline of your website, just click to the top right of this video on the eye icon. I have added the new video link from our channel, so you can watch that to understand how you can edit the site title and tagline.
So don't forget to subscribe as I'll be posting more valuable content to this channel and I'll be adding more detailed courses in WordPress. So make sure you subscribe. Thanks for watching. Take care. Bye.